The Dotolo Research Corporation, the originator and world leader in toxygen colon hydrotherapy instrumentation, presents a better understanding to the treatment and procedure of colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy is the safe, gentle infusion of filtered, purified warm water into the rectum using no chemicals or drugs. It is a painless procedure that is both relaxing and effective. Previous flushings of the colon that we all know as an enema limits the cleansing of the colon to the rectum to the sigmoid area. The toxygen colon hydrotherapy allows water to filter through the entire colon and into the cecum. Today's colon hydrotherapy with modern instrumentation offers the safest and highest levels of results to the client. Colon hydrotherapy cleanses the entire colon without stressing the individual. This method provides a closed system in which waste material is eliminated through the instrument and out the drain line. This avoids any offensive odors and maintains the dignity of the individual. Colon hydrotherapy treatments usually last about 45 minutes. First, the client completes a comprehensive history treatment form. The therapist should then review the form and discuss pertinent details relating to previous symptoms and acknowledge and be alerted to pre-existing conditions and explain the total procedure to the client. This will help relieve anxiety concerning the treatment. Have the client use the bathroom and empty their bladder. The therapist starts by putting on their gloves and pre-warming the instrument. With the client on the table, gently palpitate the entire abdomen and check for rigidity or pain. Open the packet of disposable tubing in front of the client. Attach the water line and lubricate waste hose inserts. Have client turn on their left side for insertion of the speculum. After inserting the speculum, secure it in place with pre-cut strips placed under each buttock. Then, make the client as comfortable as possible, having them bring their knees upward. The therapist sets the mixing valve to the correct temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit and sets the digital timer. The water flow control is slowly opened, allowing pre-warmed water to flow at the rate of 1/2 psi. After the filling cycle, consisting of 30 to 60 seconds or sooner if the client becomes uncomfortable, proceed on to the emptying cycle. Set the red waste control valve on empty and adjust the water flow control valve to 2 or 3 psi. This allows the client to expel water and waste materials from the colon. In the event of waste materials not being released through the waste tube on the empty cycle, gently squeeze the waste hose rhythmically several times. This will help break up the fecal matter that is too large to pass through the speculum opening. Repeat the filling and emptying cycles for the remainder of the treatment. On empty cycle only, gentle abdominal massage should be administered in a clockwise motion using the pads of the fingertips. This is repeated throughout the treatment. At the end of the treatment, when the water is flowing clear, close the flow control valve, leaving the red waste control valve open. Make sure the client is finished draining and ask them to turn to their left side and remove the speculum. Now, raise the speculum with the waste hose still connected so that residual water can drain throughout the instrument. Disconnect the waste hose, the water line, and discard along with the speculum and the obturator. Now, assist the client to the restroom to evacuate any residual water. Following each treatment, the colon hydrotherapy instrument is cleansed and disinfected. This assures the next client that the machine is free from any potential contamination. We employ only the safest features in each machine, such as 1. In the event of a total pressure loss of cold water, the instrument will automatically shut down the flow of water. 2. The instrument operating temperature may be set not to exceed 105 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. A check valve is installed to prevent any possibility of wastewater from returning to the water supply line. 4. The new master mixing valve for controlling water temperature is accurate and precise, assuring a totally safe operation. In a recent Chinese medical journal report, a study performed by Dr. Sylvester Young found that a colon hydrotherapy administered before a colonoscopy procedure allowed a clearer visualization of the bowel wall and the pathology within. He noted significant greater results in the 690 patients tested. The Dotolo Research Corporation, the originator and world leader in toxygen colon hydrotherapy instrumentation, is committed to providing the safest and most efficient colon cleansing system manufactured throughout the world.
The Holistic Wellness Center, with the emphasis on the word whole, helps balance the mind, body, and spirit to promote total wellness through our specialized therapeutic bodywork, offering shiatsu massage, reflexology, AccuStim, trigger point therapy, spinal reflex analysis, and colon hydrotherapy. We can assist you in becoming a whole person again. Schedule an appointment with Barbara Fleming today at the Holistic Wellness Center at 719-821-2626. All priceless therapies. Priceless. Call us today.